Good morning, guys. Sorry I have not been able to do the video. I was waiting for people to do the video, but let me do it myself. Now, I told you guys that the CEO you guys are to do. So I want to start showing you guys how to do the CEO. I told you we have very easy CEOs that are very easy, and these are how you can locate them. You will see that in this particular job, 0.31 one day rate 250 is the number of people required to do it. So these are the things I used to locate these easy jobs. We have some other jobs there, but these ones I prefer to do them to others because they are very easy. Now open this one. When you open it, it will open something like this. Now how will you locate that it is the one? You can see this Vomvad Act, Vomvad Cat, Boomvada Cat. So that is the link for those jobs. They are very easy. So let's get started. Now, I told you when you want to do CEO, all these things they listed there, you do not need it. What you need there is just the number two. This number two is what you need. Now, how do you get started? Now, this is how you get started. The first thing you need to do is just open this place. When you open this, it will take you to a page. If you are using PC, you can just right click here and take to go to. If you are using your phone, you press and hold, then you open a new page in a new tab. So from there, while that one is loading, you come down here to see what the proof is all about. Now, what is the proof here? Though if you want to be confirmed the proof, you can check it by opening this link. But as a smart guy, you don't need it. What you need there is that in this number one, they said URL proof one. What they're trying to tell you is that is the 10th page, the link of the, let me type it, the link of the 10th page. That is where you will see code. Where you will see code is the 10th page. So that is the link you are going to post here. Then the second one, they say URL proof 2. What they're trying to say there is the advert. I'm going to show you when we start the practical. Is the advert. That is, you have to put the advert link. Now, in the top space, what they need there is the code of the website. Now, this code has something to do with this number one, because this code is, wherever you see the code, it is the 10th page. Sure you get. So this 1 and 3 works together. Now let's go back to our work. I've opened it somewhere, so let us go back there. Now this is the page. You can see this is the page. Now how do you locate this article? You can see this is article 1 or post 1, post 2, post 3, blah blah blah. So what you have to do is just that click on the first one, read more, or you can click on any one of them, but me, I prefer to click on the first one to be easier for me. Now when you click on the first one, now you see this open you are seeing here, this is the advert, but we don't need it now. We only need it when we reach the 10th page. Now you go down and see the code. You see it's counting down. It's counting down. So while it's counting down, you click on next. You click on, so it's done counting down. Then you click on this place, back. Sometimes some of the projects might not show the back. It will just not show anything next or preview or whatever. What I have to just go back to where you see the post and you click on the next one. So that is just it. So let's go. This is the next post. It's counting down again. Remember, we are going to the 10th page. Now there is something you guys need to understand when doing this kind of project. There are times you might be seeing something like you open this page and suddenly it takes you to a new page that is not even related to what you are doing. When you say that kind of stuff, do not panic. Just leave it and go and do another job. Later on, you can come back and do it. Then later, you can see yourself starting from number 6 or number 5. So just leave it and go. Sometimes their website do rubbish. So we are done with this one. Now let's go to the next one. You can see I am still clicking on the previous. So that's that. I don't know. This video is gonna be up to like 400 megabytes. So I don't know how you guys will cope watching it. Maybe what I will do is I will just put it on YouTube so you guys can watch it. So it's still loading. I think we're having bad network here. Okay, it's done loading. It's done loading. Now it's still counting down to 0 from 17. Oh, this is what I'm saying. My data remains 1 gig. Will it be enough for me today? Jesus. So we are still going back again. We are still going back to the again. So we are now on the page 6. Page 6. Page 6. Page 5 now. Don't forget what I said when I said concerning the link, concerning the proof you need to drop. So we are moving down to page 4 now. Page 4. Page 4. You are almost there. Yeah, normally you do not need to spend more than 10 minutes or 12 minutes maximum on each. Normally if I want to do it just 7 minutes, I'm done. So all this explanation now, I think we spent 7 minutes 26 seconds already. So we are not gradually moving. Now there's one thing I want to tell you guys again. Now when you are opening this kind of project and you see that the seconds is not counting anymore, you see that the seconds is not, it's just stagnant, it's not moving. It's just telling you that you've watched that page. I mean, you've opened that page before. So when you see that kind of stuff, just click on next or previous, or you go back to home page and click on next article. So any post or any page or any article you've seen, you've watched, you've opened before, will not be counted again. Will not be counted twice for you. It's only be counted once. So if you open it again, it will just be stagnant. It won't count. So it's counting again. We have two more pages to go after this. We have 2 more pages to go after this. I do not know. Probably I will post this on YouTube because the megabyte is strong. Remember, guys, it's March. It's gonna be March, guys. So we are on this. I think we are waiting for one more page. Yeah, one more page. After this one, you can see it's still counting, and I'm still pressing my previous. Still counting and pressing my previous. That's how you do your SEO, which you know as search engine optimization. So network is frustrating there. So let us see. Okay, this is gonna be the last page. So while we are practicing for our last page now, what you need there, how do I know that this is our last page? Because it shows that this is 1 out of 0. So this page is going to come when it reaches this 9 seconds is done. It's going to change to 0 and start counting again from 10 seconds down to 0 seconds. So you can see it has changed. You now start counting down to 0 seconds, Now, where if you've seen 0/0 like this, that shows that you are on the 10th page. Now, let's have the code. That's the code. Now, let's go and complete drop our proof. The proof number 1 is to copy the link of the 10th page. You paste it here. Yeah. Then don't jump to proof number 2, because proof number 2 will likely take away your page. Your page, you will take likely your code. So what you do is just go to code 3, proof 3, to copy the code. Copy the code here and paste it. Then while doing that, you go to open the advert page I talked about. This is the advert page. Open it. Now this advert page, we also call it the landing page. So there are times you might be doing a job and they ask you to drop the landing page. The first page you see when you click on advert is the landing page. This is the landing page. So they may not ask you that, okay, in the landing page, give us the contact page or whatever. So when you say the contact page, yours is to just search for the contact page. If that page is having contact, then you paste it there. I don't think this one is having contact. So if they ask you that, okay, instead of contact, give us another page, like Karakimi now, give us another page from there. What you have is just click on another article in there. The link will be different. So that's just it. So that is just, you can see the proof 1, the 10th link, the link of the advert page, and the code. Then you submit. So that is just what you need to do on SEO. Simple as ABC. So let's wait for our job to be submitted, and we move on, and I stop the video. We are still waiting for our job to be submitted. So let me see if I have any job to do here while I am waiting. I'm on this network for this morning now. Jesus, no, this is network. Oh, I'm on MTN sucks. That's network. That's network. Oh God. That's network. That's network. I just want to submit you guys before I network is the one delaying us to submit this job now. Okay, submitted successfully. Thank God. So that's just about SEO.